As soon as you turn it on, they get quiet.
I know, they were stomping and everything.
It's time. Oh, time to say goodbye. Thanks, Hippo. Thanks, everybody. Can't wait to see you next time when we'll meet more friends, learn new dances, and we'll all play Monkey See, Monkey Do.
Wow, what another fun time playing with all of our friends on Monkey See, Monkey Do. And now, pulling into the station, it's our good friend, Thomas. But first, it's time for us to share something with you on the Sharing Show. Ricky, come back down here. It's time to share with our Sproutlet friends. Are you ready? Here we go.
Hey girls, is it time to go night-night? Time to go night-night?
Okay, let's go.
Hippo,